Bills, lock, safe, and security. Security engineering. At a bonded warehouse in Edison, New Jersey, near the Raritan Exposition Center, Bills, Lock, Safe, and Security was asked to install a Securitron GL-1 gate lock that the access control installers had purchased. The fence installer and the access control people were both spinning their wheels trying to figure out how to best do this. We measured and fabricated the gate lock support, which not only attaches the lock to the wall and fence post, but it also stabilizes the fence post. The strike is mounted to another fabricated plate secured to the gate and is shimmed for perfect latching. The warehouse manager was also dissatisfied that there was such a big gap between the fence post and the wall, where someone might be able to stick something through the gap and depress the exit button to gain access. We fabricated the two heavy steel plates to help seal the gap. Finally, Bill's Lock, Safe, and Security installed post extensions on the gate and crossbar mounts so that we can then install a Norton 1604 BC door closer to shut the gate. All the steel parts were painted with gray hammer finish paint for wear resistance and attractiveness. This gate actually closes better than some of the doors in the building. Visit us online for all of your lock, safe, and security needs.